And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 255. Let me show you how you can recreate the Harris shutter effect. The most important step is here to have 3 photos of the same model or the same object. And then we want to go to properties and use remove background. If you can't find that, just go to window, open your contextual text bar, and there you'll find it now. So this goes for all layers, for all objects that you've got in Photoshop. If you want to remove the background and it's not under properties, just check the text bar and you can open it under window. We want to do that for all 3 images. Once we've got it, we rearrange these images and we press Ctrl T to resize them. And now we want to use the blending options for each image. So right click on it, select it, and within that option menu, you will find blending options on the left hand side. This should be active, and here you can check and uncheck the channels. Just give only one channel to each. For example, first image gets the green channel, second one I'll give the red channel, and the third one I'll give the blue channel. The order of your images doesn't really matter anymore here, so you can rearrange the layers, but it won't change anything. And this is how you can recreate the Harris shutter effect in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.